Good morning. In today's session, we want to see about the scrambling. So, in previous session, we have seen about the synchronization. Then we have seen the different types of line encoding, where we are converting digital data into a digital signal. We are converting into a waveform. So, in synchronization, what we are saying, when we are supposed to use the synchronization, we will require the stream of bit. So, here we want to see scrambling because it is the solution over a synchronization. If we will talk about the synchronization, at that time we are saying synchronization technique is based on the zero crossing detector, which will loss from the loss of synchronization because there is a long stream of zeros and ones. So we can say, we can take scrambling technique that will be solution to the synchronization, because instead of using a long string of zeros and 1, we can convert that into a random ones and 0. So we can say scrambling is a technique which we can use to create the sequence of bits, random sequence of bits that has required self-clocking, no low frequency and no wide bandwidth. So we can say scrambling will be a advantages, it will be a solutions to over a long stream of zeros and 1 of the synchronization, because we can use the scrambler in a digital communication. It is a device that can transpose the signal, that can encode a message at the sender side to make that message intelligence at the receiver, and that not be equipped with the appropriately set descrambling device. So we can say when we are supposed to use the scrambling, at that time we can use the scrambler, which will convert input string into a random output string, random zeros and 1. So you will get the random output, but that will be of the same length. So thus it will avoiding the long sequence of the bits of the same value, because here instead of using the long stream of zeros and 1, we are converting that into a random ones and 0. So here we can say when we are using the digital, that can be a unbiased, usually independent, random, deterministic pseudo-random number generator, which will extend the random value. So we can say there are main two reasons why we can use the scrambling, because as we are saying, if we are using the synchronization, if we are using the line coding formats to send that data, at that time there is a loss of synchronization because we will require the long stream of zeros and 1. So to enable accurate timing recovery on the receiver equipment without resorting to a redundant line coding, it will facilitate the work of the time recovery circuit. So we can say we can use the scrambling. We will get automatic gain control and other adaptive circuits of the receiver, because it is eliminating the long sequence of the zeros and 1. It is converting that into a random zeros and 1. So for energy dispersal on the carrier, it will reducing the inter-carrier signal interference, and it eliminates the dependence of the signals. So we can say it will making it more dispersed to meet the maximum power spectral density requirement, because if the power is concentrated in the narrow frequency band, it can interfere with the adjacent channels due to the intermodulations. So we can use the scrambler. And if you see about the scrambler, these are essential component of the physical layer system besides the interlude coding and the modulations. So we can say that can be defined based on the linear feedback shift register due to their good statistical properties and easy implementation in a hardware. So here when we are converting longer stream of zeros and 1 into a random zeros and 1, at that time it will help because it will eliminate the DC component which will get in the power spectrum and it will avoid the DC wandering. So this requires the descrambling at the receiver side. So it will get back into the original sequence. So we can use a simple shift register, we can use modulo to XOR adder that can be used for the scrambling and the descrambling. So when we will talking about the scrambling, we can say it is implemented at the same time as the encoding, and the bit stream is created on the fly. So here the base code is the one that does not increase the bandwidth for the synchronization and which will not have the DC component. So it will replaces unfriendly runs of bits, unfriendly long sequence of zeros and 1 bits with a random code that will be easy to recognize. So here when we are using the scrambling, that can be used to replace the sequence that will produces the constant voltage, and it will using this filling sequence that will must sequence that would result in a constant voltage that are replaced by filling sequence that will provide sufficient transmission for the receiver clock to maintain the synchronization. So here we can say that filling sequence will have the same length that will be with the original, and here that filling sequence can be recognized by the received and it will be replaced with the original signal, because here we are converting that into a random. So here we are taking the same length but it will remove the DC component. So we can say we can use the scrambler. So it is having the advantages like that design goals will be we are supposed to reduce here DC component which will have no DC component, which will have no longer sequence of zeros and 1, which will have no reduction in a data rate, and which will give us error detection capability. So we can see here the alternate make mark inversion, or we can say a bipolar encoding, pseudo ternary, that can be used in the scrambling. So we can see here when we are sending at the transmitter side, we can do encoding, and that modified AMI encoding will go via channel to the receiver. So we can use the scrambling method which will give us the random zeros and 1 which will not loses the information. Here we are taking our back information at the receiver side. So there are different scrambling technique which we can use. Like here we can see about the two cases of B8ZS. So here we are saying bipolar with 8 zeros substitution. B for bipolar, 8 zeros, Z for zeros substitution. So here when we are using here bipolar at that time based on bipolar, or we can say the AMI, whose drawback is a long string of zeros, may result in the loss of the synchronization. So instead of bipolar line coding, we can use the scrambling technique with this. So here if octet of all zeros will occurring, you can observe, then you will get, and the last voltage pulse preceding this that will octet was positive. It means what? Here we are having the values 0, 0, 0 up to. We are having last is nothing but the 1. So we can say if we are having the octet of all 0 which will occur and the last voltage pulse will preceding this octet was positive, that will encoded 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus. And if all octet 0 occurs and last voltage pulse preceding this was negative, we can take 0, 0, 0 minus plus 0 plus minus, means you will get the negative. So we can say here we will get the two violations. Unlikely, that will to occur as a result of noise, and receiver recognizes the pattern of that will interpret as the octet as considering all of zeros. So we can see here two cases where we can use bipolar 8 zeros scrambling. So the main formulas are, we are having B8ZS, that will be 000 plus V, bipolar 0 VB, where we are taking V is a violation bit. You can see here we are taking 000. After that we are taking V. So we can take V as a violation B. And B we are taking for the bipolar. So we can say it will follows the polarity of a previous non-zero bit. If we are having the previous non-zero 1, we can take that as a 1. You can see here we are taking B as a 1. So V is nothing but violation bit. That will be also a B. So here we can take, it will inverses the polarity of a previous non-zero bit. So you can observe if we are having previous value positive and if we are having previous value negative. Here, if you see, when we are having the previous value positive, you are take positive, after that 0, positive V, because we are having the sequence 000 V, B, 0, VB. So you can take at that time, if we are having the previous value negative, you will get, you can see in the waveform B. Remaining we will see in the next session. Thank you.